Hi, my name is Melissa Johnson, and I am the GIS manager for Cole County, and also part of MidMoGIS, our partnership with Jefferson City. And I'm going to do a few tutorials on how to use different features of our interactive mapping website. So if you want to start out, you would want to go to midmogis.org, and you want to click on the interactive maps link and choose the new responsive interactive mapping site, which is mobile friendly as well as works well with your desktop computer. So I'll go ahead and click on that. So you'll see here there's a disclaimer that is up here, so you just want to read that and click the X. And the first tutorial I'm going to do is just on simple searches and some tips and tricks for finding things using the search interface. And then a little bit later on I'll go over some of the other tools like select and identify. But right now let's go ahead and just do a quick search. Now the interface may look different if you're using a mobile device, but this quick search is probably going to be the quickest way to get where you want to go. So I just clicked on that and it opens up the search interface. And so I'm going to start typing in an address. And as you can see, as I type, it finds items that have what I've been typing in there. But I am finding parcel numbers and addresses. So I think it'd be a lot better if I just had an address come up. So I'm going to click on the arrow next to all fields, and I'm going to just choose property address. And then I'm going to start typing it in again. So I have typed in 301 East High, which is the address for the courthouse. And I'm just going to pick one of these, and I clicked on it. And it automatically will zoom you into that property. Pulls up all of the information that we have about that on our website, and gives you some other options that you can do. But since we're just kind of looking at how to do searches, I'm going to go ahead and clear this and start a new search. So say you are looking for a property on a specific street and you're not really sure what the address is, or you can't pull it up by the address. Maybe the address you have is incorrect, or maybe it doesn't have an address. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you how to look for that type of parcel. So I'm just going to go ahead and start typing in a street name. So I'm going to type in American, and you can see there's several streets that have that name in them. And I can kind of look and see some addresses, but I'm just going to go ahead and hit enter instead of selecting one of those. So as you can see, it's highlighted everything that has that America in the name. So now that I can see the owners and the addresses, I could go through and see if there's one of these that the one that I'm looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and say the public water supply is the one that I was looking for. I want to just select this parcel only. So I'm going to click on this arrow right here. It says select this record only. So if I click on this, it will just select that record and zoom into it. And as you can see all the information about it. So that's a tip that you can use, and you could also do that say, I'm going to use the quick search again and say there's a specific subdivision that I'm looking for. I'll go ahead and use that name again because I know there's a subdivision with that name. There's several. And I think this time I'm just going to pick one, this one, American Section 1. And as you can see, it's going to select all of the parcels that are inside that subdivision. And I can expand each one of these and look at the information. Or again, if I wanted only one of those, I could go ahead and click on this arrow here where it says select this record only, and it will highlight that particular record. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of this, or I can also hit search if I want to go back and do a different search. Or say I want this parcel, but I also want to look for another one also. I can click on add to here, and I'm just going to type that again, American, start typing that, and I'm getting some results here. And I think I'm going to pick the Section 2 replat. So as you can see, it's added all of the parcels that are in the American Section 2 replat subdivision to that one parcel that I had already selected. So those are just a few ways that you can use the MidMoGIS website to do a quick search. Hope that helps to find what you're looking for on a website. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section of this video. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.